London, we gotta do the one in LA.
I know.
Take a selfie, all three of you.
What?
When you're done.
For both.
Me too. What's up? So, London's been asking me to go on a helicopter, and so I've finally taken her. But what she doesn't know is that the doors are off on the helicopter. We're at Flynyon in New Jersey. It's really cold, but I guess we'll see how cold it is up there. Egypt, you gonna go on the helicopter?
Yeah. Can I sit right here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna sit in the back.
Oi?
Luke and Jake, Robert. Robert.
This is how
You
it's
get
gonna
on.
be.
You get on.
This is how it looks.
Nobody
Look how
cared about
huge
that
this
truck.
is. Look how huge this is. How did they fit this in here?
I'm going to.
Careful,
What do they
Egypt.
care about, Egypt?
Egypt, what do they care about?
Our safety.
Your favorite
Now we're
safety
about to watch the safety video
But first, let's go over
The process you gotta
things
go
to
through.
ensure everyone's safety.
before you fly.
By now, you'll have met your Flynyon liaison. They will guide you through each step of your experience. Passengers must completely empty their
London, pay
pockets
attention.
prior to boarding the aircraft. No loose items may remain in
Since Egypt too small to fly, this is her flight. This is her experience of what we're about to see.
I'm going up here. This is my.
London, we gotta do the one in LA.
I know. We gotta do
Next. But
Dubai.
at night though.
We have to do Dubai.
Egypt, is that how you fly? So now we're about to drive over to the helicopter hangar. It's cold today, so better get used to it because there's no doors. Really,
Going in a van. I've never been in a van.
whatever. Not true.
Dude,
It is freezing and
it feels good out here. It feels good out here.
it feels good, but I'm cold. I'm thinking twice. So basically this is a doors off helicopter. It's windy too. We have to follow the blue line. And the sky is much colder. Almost to our chopper.
We don't freeze.
London, we're getting close.
Yeah,
Definitely with the hood.
At least air bump, right?
And here's our helicopter. No doors. No doors.
So, circle.
It's so cold. I can't imagine what it's gonna be like up there. It's a nice day. We got lucky.
So we got 33 minutes. We're gonna see.
We're holding up.
So when all of you are having feet out, if you lean forward just a little bit, and let's say you take a selfie, all three of you will come out. If you take a selfie, he'll come out. And if you take a selfie, all three of you will come out on a selfie.
So now we are off to the super lit ice cream spot in Manhattan.
Tell them what it is.
Well, you'll see when we get there, but just know we getting ice cream and you make it yourself. That's all I'm gonna say.
I'm so excited. We're just finishing up here after my house and taking pictures. See you there.
Now we're at Burger Heaven. Afterwards, we're gonna go get ice cream at this cool place. It's actually connected. Sneak peek. We'll show you the rest afterwards.
I'm so excited.
We love burgers.
Yeah.
So anytime we find a burger spot, we eat. We love burgers. Burgers and ice cream is our favorite thing.
Last time we went to Sugar Factory, my mom got this big cheesy burger. It was like mac and cheese inside the burger.
The Sugar Factory in Foxwoods.
Yeah. You guys need to try that too.
Yeah. I like the Sugar Factory in Miami. The one that we went to is way better.
That one.
It was really cool. It was, but this is the menu. I don't know if you can see it that good, but
Yeah. Burgers. Classic
I'll
sandwiches.
show you when the food comes out. Pretty cool spot.
Perfect size.
Food's pretty good.
Just got it.
Egypt just wanted fries.
As always.
She just likes potatoes. I think she's gonna end up being vegan because she never ever wants meat. London's being healthy over here. She got a salad.
Yeah, and I don't think I could stay away from it.
Let's
To make glasses, right?
I'm more excited for food than dessert.
Both.
What?
When you're done.
For both.
Me too.
When you're done.
Welcome, guys. Now here's our secret.
Amy always slow.
So basically, cool mess. I'll explain it to you when I get.
Look, London, stay cool. Put the bananas on the side because everybody doesn't want them. Got the strawberries. What else you got?
Brown.
Wow, what about me? I want to eat one. Wow, you guys are just eating it all. Is that all you do, or do we have to do anything else? London.
Egypt!
I don't think you're supposed to do that. So once you mix the toppings in, I guess you just wait. You just wait now?
You can mix the toppings with the big spoon.
Oh, you're mixing it with the big spoon? Now we're mixing in.
Alright.
Sorry?
You want to mix it too?
You want, oh, okay.
Alright. London, give her a shake.
This is cool.
Careful. Careful. Slow.
What are you doing?
What are you
You heard
doing?
her say, hey guys. Come on, you gotta keep going.
Welcome to Egypt's world.
It's my world.
Your world too. My world
Alright. Alright,
Alright.
it looks ready. You want to turn it off now? There you go.
Okay.
Now, your ice cream.
Look, you just.
Look.
Get ready.
You guys love ice cream way too much.
She's ready.
No, I already have. This is mommy.
Looks so good. Let's see if our ice cream makes sense with kids. Egypt.
She just said thanks.
Right? That's it. She's done.
Like she did all the work.
Egypt, you didn't do no work.
Alright, now you can just move it in the bowl, okay? Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, let's see what you got.
I got strawberry and so
Then you just put it into your bowls and you heat up.
Do you want me to do your guy?
I got it.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed spending time with our family today. Give this video a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next episode.